ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലെ മറ്റൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് ആൻറ്റി കൺവൾസൻറ്റിനെ കുറിച്ച് നോക്കാം. ആൻറ്റി കൺവൾസൻസ് ആർ എ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഫാർമക്കോളജിക്കൽ ഏജൻറ്റ്സ് യൂസ്ഡ് ഇൻ ദി ട്രീറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് എപ്പിലെപ്റ്റിക് സീഷേഴ്സ്. Anti convulsants are also being used in the treatment of neuropathic pain and as mood stabilizers in the treatment of psychiatric disorders such as bipolar disorders. Anticonvulsant drugs are classified as either first generation or classic agent or second generation agent. Second generation anticonvulsants are usually better tolerated and have a broader therapeutic range than classic anticonvulsant agent. The choice of drug is guided by the type of seizure. The first generation anticonvulsant or anti-epileptic drug include fosphenytoin, mefenitoin, phenytoin, phenobarbital, primidone, carbamazepine, and valproic acid derivative. Use of some first generation anti-epileptic drugs causes birth defect, intrauterine growth retardation, and possibly developmental delay. Second generation anticonvulsants include felbamate, gabapentin, lamotrigine, levetiracetam, oxcarbazepine, tiagabine, topiramate, and zonisamide. The toxic effect of clinically significant gabapentin overdose include lethargy, ataxia, central nervous system depression, hypotension, bradycardia, tachycardia, and dizziness. The predominant clinical effect of CNS depression. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് സീഷേഴ്സിനെ കുറിച്ച് കൂടി നോക്കാം. ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് സീഷേഴ്സ് which are divided into two major groups. First one is generalized and then partial. Generalized seizure produced by widespread abnormal electrical impulses present throughout the entire brain. In case of partial seizure, sometimes referred to as focal or localized. This seizure produced by electrical impulses that generated from the relatively small or localized part of the brain. First one is generalized or grand mal epilepsy. Symptoms: the patient loses consciousness and usually collapses. The loss of consciousness is followed by generalized body stiffness. It is called a tonic phase of seizure. Then by violent jerking. It is called a clonic phase of seizure. After which the patient goes into a deep sleep. This is called a postictal or after seizure phase. During grand mal seizure, injuries and accidents may occur, such as tongue biting and urinary incontinence. Absence seizure or petit mal epilepsy, myoclonic seizure, tonic and clonic seizure, atonic seizure are different types of generalized seizure. Symptoms of absence seizure or petit mal epilepsy include sudden and brief lapses of consciousness without loss of postural control. The seizure typically lasts for only seconds. Consciousness returns as suddenly as it was lost, and there is no postical confusion. This seizure begins and ends abruptly and might occur several times a day. Patients are usually not aware that they are having a seizure, but may have a feeling of losing time. Next one is myoclonic seizure. Myoclonus is a sudden and brief muscle contraction that may involve one part of the body or the entire body. Symptoms include sporadic and brief jerking movements, usually on both sides of the body. Patients sometimes describe the jerk as brief electrical shocks. When violent, this seizure might result in dropping or involuntarily throwing objects. The muscle movement of myoclonic seizure are characterized by rapid recurrent stiffness and relaxation. During a myoclonic seizure, patient may have decreased voluntary movement of the body and diminished level of consciousness. The most common anticonvulsants used for myoclonus are levetiracetam, valproic acid, and primidone. Pyracetam is the another anticonvulsant that is being found to be effective. Tonic or clonic seizure, formerly grand mal, are the main seizure type in approximately 20% of all persons with epilepsy. They are also the most common seizure type resulting from metabolic derangement and are therefore frequently encountered in many different clinical settings. Symptoms of tonic seizures include stiffening of the body, upward deviation of the eyes, dilation of the pupil, and altered respiratory pattern. In case of clonic seizure, repetitive and rhythmic jerking movements that involve both sides of the body at the same time. Many medications are used in the treatment of epilepsy and seizures, which including carbamazepine, phenytoin, and valproic acid. Next one, atonic seizure. Atonic seizures are characterized by sudden loss of postural muscle tone lasting 1 or 2 seconds. Consciousness is briefly impaired, but there is usually no postictal confusion and general loss of muscle tone, particularly in the arms and legs, which often result in a fall. Variety of seizure medicines can be used to treat these seizures, including valproic acid, topiramate, sonizumab, levetiracetam, lamotrigine, clonazepam, clorazepate, lorazepam, clobazam, rufinamide, felbamate. The second main type of epilepsy is partial epilepsy. Partial seizures are confined to discrete area of the cerebral cortex. Only a certain area of the body is usually involved, at least at the start. By contrast, generalized seizures are noted in diffuse region of the brain. Simple partial seizure cause motor, sensory, autonomic and psychic symptoms without an obvious alteration in consciousness. These seizures may also be manifested as changes in somatic sensation, vision, equilibrium, autonomic function, olfactory changes and hearing. Simple partial seizures are further divided into 4 groups according to the nature of their symptoms. Motor symptoms include movements such as jerking, stiffening, muscle rigidity, spasms and head turning. Sensory symptoms involve unusual sensations affecting any of the 5 senses, that is vision, hearing, smell, taste or touch. The term aura is used to describe sensory symptoms that are present only. Autonomic symptoms most often involved as unusual sensation in the stomach termed gastric uprising. Psychological symptoms are characterized by various experiences involving memory, emotions such as fear or pleasure, or other complex psychological phenomena. Complex partial symptoms include impairment of awareness. Symptoms may also involve some complex symptoms called automatism. Automatisms consist of involuntary but coordinated movement that it tends to be purposeless or repetitive. Common automatism include lip smacking, chewing, fidgeting, and walking around. Approximately 70% of patients with partial seizures can be controlled with medication. Partial seizures that cannot be controlled with medication can often be treated surgically. 2 of the most commonly used medicines to treat partial seizures are carbamazepine and lamotrigine. Other choices include valproate, oxcarbazepine, gabapentin and topiramate. ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരുപാട് നന്ദി. ചെറിയൊരു ഇടവേള വന്നു നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോസ് ഇടുന്നതിൽ. കാര്യം ജോലിയുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ഒരു അല്പം തിരക്കായിപ്പോയി. കൊറോണയൊക്കെ അല്ലേ, ഇവിടെയും കുറച്ച് കൂടുതലാണ്. അപ്പം നെക്സ്റ്റ് വരുന്ന എക്സാമിൻ്റെ പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് ഇനിയുള്ള കുറച്ച് എപ്പിസോഡുകൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് രൂപത്തിൽ ഇടാമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക.